Today we're going to talk about starting up a condensing unit and properly commissioning that system for operation. One thing that's critical to do is ensure the unit is leak-free and moisture-free before we inject refrigerant and start it up. To do that, we need to pull a vacuum on that system. Standard on all Trenton condensing units are what we call these QuikVac valves available here. They give you easy access to both the high and low side of the system, as well as a larger port to pull a quicker vacuum and charge the system more efficiently. The critical piece in achieving that quicker vacuum time is taking advantage of the larger port sizes in these valves. Using either 3/8 or 1/2 inch hoses allows you to pull those vacuums significantly quicker.